So there is actually another method on how you get the area of the segment. Just do not forget that the area of the segment is equal to the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. Okay? So, discuss natin yung method 2 natin. Yung method 2 natin ganito. So, we have the given that the measurement of arc PQ is 90 degrees and the measurement of radius TQ is 5 centimeters. Okay? Now, as for the second method, you will begin as well with finding the area of the sector. Okay? The area of the sector is equal to the degree measure over 360 times pi r squared. So, that is 90 over 360 times pi, and the radius is 5. Radius is 5 cm or centimeters. So you will arrive with 90 over 360 is equivalent to 1/4. 1/4 of 5 times 5 is 25. 25 pi cm squared. So the area of the sector is equal to 25 pi over 4 cm squared. That is now the area of the sector. Now, for the second part, the area of the triangle. As for the area of the triangle, we have 1/2 base times height. Now, if this is the given triangle, say we have triangle PTQ, and this is 90. If we will be creating a line that will bisect PQ, ayusin natin yung drawing natin. Adjust natin siya. Okay. So, this is PTQ, triangle PTQ. And then, ito 90. Tama? So, if we will be getting the height of the triangle, so this is the height of the triangle, say this is point S, we can now say that line TS bisects line PQ. And they form perpendicular lines. So, the line TS and line PQ are perpendicular to each other. So, kung perpendicular sila, ito 90. Okay? So, kung binaisect si 90, ilan yung sukat nito? So, this is 45. Tama? So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, you will have a special type of triangle, which is the 45-45 degree triangle. Ito siya. So, kung 45 yon, tapos 45 ito, tapos ito 90. Now, if this is S, tapos ito Q, tapos ito T. We will now use the idea of SOHCAHTOA para makakuha tayo ng isang side. Kasi right triangle naman yan. Okay? Now, TQ is radius. Si PT ay radius din. Okay? Since si ST binisect niya si PQ, so PS at saka si SQ ay pareho ang sukat. So, kung ito ay A, ito rin ay A. So, mula kay P hanggang kay Q, mula kay P hanggang kay Q ay 2A. Burayin natin yan. Dalawang A. Okay? Okay. Now, let's continue. From there, si TQ ay nawawala kasi siya, should I say TQ is the radius and radius is 5. Ayan. So, ito A nawawala. Ito naman yung height natin. Okay? Since 45, 45, 90 ito, ibig sabihin ito at saka ito parehong sukat. Okay? So, ito ay pwede rin natin palitan na A. Okay? Now, next. Since ang given natin hypotenuse, anong gagamitin natin sa SOHCAHTOA? Maghahanap ka dyan ng may hypotenuse. Then, ang may hypotenuse mo, sine at saka cosine. Okay? Mas madaling gamitin yung sine. So, gamitin natin yung sine. Ano eh? So, kung tinitignan mo yung 45 dito, say, ang point of view mo sa Q, kung gagamit ka ng sine, so yon, this O means opposite, and H means hypotenuse. Therefore, the angle that you are looking for, say ito, 45, sine 45 is equal to, anong ka-opposite nitong angle na to? Ka-opposite yung katapat niyang side. So, itong side na to. Okay? So, sine 45 is equal to opposite. Anong sukat nitong opposite natin dito? Ang sukat niya ay A. So, that is A over, ang hypotenuse natin ay 5. Okay? Now, let's solve for A. Yan, magsasama silang dalawa. So, A is equal to 5 sine 45. So, yun ang sukat ni A. Okay? Next, punta tayo dun sa base. This is now the height. So, ibig sabihin, this is now the height. The height is 5 sine 45. Next, punta naman tayo dun sa base natin. Yung base ng triangle natin, ito. O, kunwari, pantay-pantay yan. Okay. So, dito si point P. So, ito yung base natin. So, kung A yan, ibig sabihin ito ay A din. So, mula kay P hanggang kay Q ay 2A. So, dodoblihin mo lang yon. Okay? Now, the base, nabray natin yan. So, the base now is equal to twice the value of A. Yung length ni A, doblihin mo lang. Yung A natin ay 5 sine 45. So, yung base natin is equal to 2 times 5 sine 45. Okay. And from there, pwede na natin kuhanin yung area ng triangle natin. So, the area of triangle PTQ is equal to 1/2 base times height. So, 1/2 of base natin, 2. Andali, ayusin ko lang. So, ang base natin ay 2 times 5 sine 45 times 5 sine 45. Okay, 1/2. So, 5 sine 45. Pwede mong gamitin yung calculator mo. 2 times 5 sine 45 times 5 sine 45 is equal to 25. So, pwede mo yung idiretso sa calculator mo. And 1 times 25, that is 25 over 2. So, that is now the area of the triangle. Okay? Now, as for the area of the segment, the area, pangatlo na ito, no? Letter A, letter B. Okay, letter C. The area now of the segment is equal to the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. Area of the sector is 25 pi. 25 pi over 4 minus 25 over 2. Okay? Now next, 25 pi over 4 is equal to 19.63 minus 25 over 2, that is 12.5. 19.63 minus 12.5 is equal to Wait lang. 3 digits natin yan. 25 pi divided by 4, that is 635. 19.635. Okay? 19.635 minus 12.5. We have 7.135 cm squared. This is now the area of the segment. Mapapansin nyo, pareho lang sila. Tama? So, that is the second way on how to get the area of segment PTQ. Meron pa tayong third way. Ito palagay ko mas madadalian kayo sa third way. So, method 3 natin. Yung sa method 3 naman, hindi ko hindi ko na napag-aralan kung paano siya na-derive, pero nahanap ko siya sa internet. Napaka-useful niya kasi, kaya natuwa ako. So, ganito daw yung area ng segment. So, the area of the segment, wait lang, ayusin ko lang. I-zoom lang natin ng konti. Okay. Yung method 3 na tayo. The area of the segment is equal to the product of r square over 2 times pi over 180 and the degree measure of the central angle minus sine C. Okay. Wherein r is radius, pi is approximately 3.1416, and big letter C is the degree measure of the central angle. Okay. Ang kagandahan ng method 3, pwede siyang gamitin kapag hindi special triangle yung na-form nung given segment natin. Okay? So, substituting it inside the formula, yung given degree measure natin ay 90. So, ito na yung magsisilbing C. And then, ang radius natin ay 5 centimeters. Okay? So, using the formula, the area now of the segment is equal to 5 cm quantity square over 2 times pi over 180 times 90 minus sine 90. Okay. 5 times 5 is 25 centimeters squared over 2. Tapos dito naman, 90 times pi. So, meron ka 90 pi over 180. Si sine 90 naman ay equal siya sa 1. Sine 90 is 1. Okay? Next. 25 cm squared over 2. 90 over 180. So, can be both divisible by 90. 90 divided by 90 is 1. And 180 divided by 90 is 2. So, meron kang pi over 2 minus 1. Okay? 90 pi over 180, that is also equivalent to pi over 2. Okay? So, pi natin is 3.14. Pi divided by 2 minus 1. So, you will arrive with cm squared over 2 times 0.57. So, kung 25 times 25 over 2. So, the answer is 7.135. So, pareho lang sila. Okay? So, ito yung third way kung paano kuhanin yung area ng segment of a circle. Okay? So, yan. Ay, nakuha ko naman sa internet. Ganyan daw siya. So, kayo nang bahala kung anong gagamitin nyo sa tatlong methods. Pero may special type kasi tayo ng triangle. Kung gusto nyo mas concrete, pwede yung methods 1 and 2. At gusto nyo mabilisan, method 3. So, that's how you solve for the area of the segment of a given circle.